This is a kind of unboxing and in-depth review video of a book. Last year I've got these for my son and I was really impressed by it. So this year I went ahead and got it ordered from Amazon. So this is 2025 new and improved MTG Books Foundation Course series. So if you head on to amazon.com and type Foundation Course 2025 Class 7, you will get a list of books and the sellers listed below, as you can see here. So two main things that you have to keep in mind. First one is it should be 2025 version. So make sure you check that, because other versions and old previous versions will also be enlisted. So make sure that you get the 2025 right, the version right. And also you can get combo or individual books. Here I've got the combo books because I'm getting it as like an investment. It is expensive, yes, it is expensive for me also, but I'm getting this as an investment. I'm collecting all these books till my son is in 12th standard, and after that he can review in a one go all these concepts. So that is my main aim. So so it is expensive, but still I have got this for him. Second point is the seller. Okay, so this is not the first time I'm ordering. This is my second time. The first time when I ordered from a different seller, when I received some 100 pages, some 100 rupees self-help book, which was torn old. Yeah. So I was really scared and quickly went on to customer service and then explained the detail and explained what happened, and they were supportive, and of course the seller returned the money back to my account. So here I am, I ordered it again with this trusty seller. I have got this many electronics and other books from this seller, so I'm confident with this person, from this seller. So I went ahead, ordered it. So you can check it out and be very careful to check out the version 2025 and also the seller. So let's get in detail. I'll show you all the 4 books. Like previous year, I will share the books in detail, each chapter of all the 4 subjects in a much consistent way. This year for class 7, make sure to check out those videos as well. Now let's get straight into this video. So this is class 7 2025 books. I have covered 2024 class 6 books in this channel. Please do check that out. Links will be in the description. Though I was not consistent with those videos, I promise I will be consistent this year, taking in detail every chapter of all the 4 books. So stay tuned. So if you have not subscribed this channel, so this is the right time. Please click the subscribe channel. Now let's see in detail all the 4 books, the main topics. So this is Max. And then comes the biology. It looks like this is their first multicolor edition. Yes, each chapter is extensively explained with multicolor images, beautiful pictures. It's big, it's thick. It is this book alone is 500 rupees. I think it is worth it. You will see all the pictures in detail very soon. Then comes physics and then chemistry. So first let's see our Max book. The first few pages consist of the highlights of the foundation series. In this, what this book comprises of is being shown here. Next comes the roadmap. In this roadmap, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, what are all the chapters that is being covered in this subject, and in which class the bases are covered and in which class the advanced concepts are covered. This gives a really comprehensive picture of the whole subject till class 10th is given, which is very useful. Next, the chapters covered are given here. It is in accordance with NCERT syllabus. Next, each chapter is explained first, and then questions in an MCQ format is asked. And then after each lesson, concept map is given. This is a map comprising or consolidating all the main concepts that is being discussed in that chapter. So it is a quick flashcard you can go through and remember and recollect the concepts. Very informative and very useful. This is exactly how I found these foundation books. Last portion of the book comprises of Prep 1 test, Prep 2 test, and then the answers are also with the explanation given behind, and then SOF question paper. Here they have given the set A question paper of 2024-25. Finally, answer key for all the chapters are given with the detailed explanation. Though they have given only the answer keys at the end of each chapter, here they have done with the explanation. Now let's see my favorite subject, biology. First pages consist of the highlights, a road map, chapters. So it's first color edition. Each lesson is explained in detailed with colorful illustrations. Not only the lesson but also the other extra information connected is explained very well. Fun facts, tidbits and other information. I personally felt it very interesting and exhaustively explained. Then comes the concept map. Then if you see, they have, you can see there is some U letter, A, P, A, N, R and etc. This is, they have explained in the preface, this cognitive level. R responds to remembering, U understanding, A, P applying, A, N analyzing, and E, V is evaluating, and CR is creating. So by categorizing the levels, it's very easy to understand where these concepts will be useful. The last portion comprises of the same format as shown in the Max book. It will have 2 prep test question paper and then the previous year to 2024-25 SOF question paper, here NSO question paper, and then a detailed answer keys will be included in as the last part. So this follows for the other 2 books, that is physics, chemistry also.